Another successful project performed by Marzucco's Construction and Coatings. The Belize is a 24-story high-rise located at 970 Cape Marco Drive in Marco Island, Florida. The scope of work for the Belize includes prepping, priming, and painting of the window frames and slider frames. We have removed and repaired areas of blistering paint. We have prepped, primed, and painted all exterior stucco surfaces to include a 7-year labor and material manufacturer's warranty. We have also removed and replaced sealants, and the job consisted of over 70 swing stage drops to complete the exterior building envelope. We performed extensive stucco restoration to the building. Marzucco's repainted all roof fiberglass domes, and the Belize high-rise was completed on time and on budget. The staff at the Belize was very professional, and we thank the residences for choosing Marzucco's Construction and Coatings. It was our pleasure working on their project.